chapter is indices or exponent. That is chapter number 6, exercise 6 from the book Innovative Mathematics. That is class 9 book. Just see question number 2 what is given here. Question number 2, you have to simplify. 3 into 9 to the power m plus 1 plus 9 into 3 to the power 2m plus 1 divided by 9 into 3 to the power 2m plus 9 to the power m. Where 9 given, you have to 9 means 3 ka whole square. Okay, let's see how to simplify. First to see the question, 3 into, right, 3 means 3 to the power 1 into 9 means 3 ka whole square. 3 ka whole square. Whole square, this will be 2 will be multiplied with m plus 1 means 2m plus 2 plus, here also 9 means 3 ka whole square into 3 to the power 2m plus 1 divided by same process. 9 means 3 ka whole square into 3 to the power 2m plus 9 means here 3 ka whole square 3 to the power 2m. Now just to see, finally we are getting how much? 3 to the power 2m plus 2 plus 1, power is added, this will be 2m plus 3 plus 3 to the power 2m 2 plus 1, this is 2m plus 3 divided by, here you can take common 3 to the power 2m, 3 to the power 2m common, what left? 3 ka whole square left plus 1, just to see 3 ka whole square plus 1. Okay, and in the numerator you can take common 3 to the power 2m, what left here? 3 to the power, you can take 3 to the power 2m common, what left? 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 left, and here 3 to the power 2m, 3 ka whole square means 9, 9 plus 1, this is cancel out. 3 to the 3 means 27, 27 plus 27, 3 ka whole cube means 27, 27 plus 27 divided by 10, how much coming? 54 by 10 means 27 by 5, 27 5. Just see the answer, how much coming? 27 by 5 means we can make it mixed fraction like 5 2 by 5. This is the answer of number 3, 2 ka first part. See the second part question given, what is given? Second part question given, 2 to the power m plus 2 into 3 to the power 2m plus 1 into 5 to the power m plus n plus 1 into 6 to the power n plus 1. Then what the same thing given? You have to separate. Means 2 to the power m plus 2, here 3 to the power, just separate, just have to solve. Just the second part, it is given 2 to the power m plus 2, 2 to the power m plus 2. Here you can break here, 6 means 2 into 3 means 2 to the power m plus 1, and here also you can get 2 into 5, 2 to the power n plus 2. All the 2 to the power I make separating. Next 3 to the power 2m plus 1, here also 3 to the power n plus 2, here 1 3 to the power m plus 1 left because I have taken 2 to the power m plus 1, 3 to the power m plus 1, yes or no? And here 3 into 5 means 3 to the power m minus 1, means 3 ka power all I separated. Next left 5. Okay, here 5 to the power, 5 to the power I am writing here, just see, 5 to the power m plus n plus 1 divided by, here 1 5 left, 5 to the power n plus 2, and here also 1 5 left because I have taken 3, 5 3 are 15, 5 to the power m minus 1. Now just to see, it is coming 2 to the power m plus 2, and इस दोनों को ऐड करो m plus n plus 3, it will be minus m plus n plus 3, just give it minus because divide means power subtracted. Here 3 to the power 2m plus 1 minus ये तीनों का पावर ऐड करके सब माइनस करो, दिस इज m plus m, 2m plus n 2m plus n. This is plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 minus 1 means plus 2. Next 5 to the power. 5 to the power, it is coming m plus n. Yes or no? 5 to the power m plus n plus 1 minus this power minus this will be m plus n plus 1. Okay, plus 1. And see here, I have already taken 2 to the power taken, 3 to the power taken, 5 to the taken. But here 6 left. 6 to the power. 6 means 2 into 3. Yes or no? But 6 to the power, just to see, 6 to the power means you have to write here 2 to the power n plus 1, again 3 to the power n plus 1. Now you see how much coming finally. That means this will be power is added into 2 to the power n plus 1 into 3 to the power n plus 1. If I open the bracket, this will be m minus m cancel. 2 minus 3 means minus 1. 2 to the power how much coming? And this is also 2. 2 to the power n plus 1. So n plus 1 power is added, m plus 1, this is minus n and minus 1. That means this will all be cancelled. 2 to the power 0. 2 to the 0 means how much coming? 0 means 1. This 2 to the power 0 means 1 coming. Next to see 3 to the power. 3 to the power 2m. If I open the 2m cancel. 2m minus 2m cancel. This is minus n. 3 to the power, and this is n plus 1. Power is added, n plus 1, and this will be minus n, and minus 1. Here also 3 to the power 0 means 1. Next it is coming 5. If you open the bracket, this will all be cancelled, means 5 to the 0. 5 to the 0 means 1. Final answer coming 1. Okay. Number 2, second part completed. Let us go next part. Number 2 का third part, root over 9 whole to the power minus 3 by 4. Just see, third part, root over 9 whole to the power minus 3 by 4. The root over 9 means 9 to the power how much? 9 to the power half, whole to the power minus 3 by 4. Again 9 means what? 3 का whole square. That means 9 मतलब 3 का whole square whole to the power 1 by 2. 3 का whole square whole to the power 1 by 2. Again whole to the power minus 3 by 4. Finally these two cancel. How much coming? 3 to the power minus 3 by 4 means it will be 1 by 3 to the power 3 by 4. Okay. You can write it also like this. 1 by 3 cube means 27 fourth root. Either you can write like this form or you can write this form. This is the answer. Fourth part, cube root of 8 whole to the power 1 by 2. Cube root of 8 whole to the power, just to see. Fourth part, 8 का cube root. 8 का cube root whole to the power 1 by 2. 8 का cube root means 8 means 2 cube whole to the power 1 by 3 cube root whole to the power 1 by 2. That means 3 cancel, finally getting 2 to the power half, which is equal to root 2.